So, we are doing the states, properties, and changes of matter, and why it matters. There are 5 states of matter: solids, liquids, gases, and plasmas, and BECs, but we're going to focus on solids, liquids, and gases. Firstly, solids. The particles in a solid are arranged in a regular pattern and do not move around. They are closely packed together and vibrate in a fixed position. Solids cannot be compressed or squashed. This is because they have no space between the particles. They do not flow either. The bonds that hold particles together in a solid are very strong. Solids have a fixed shape. They also have a very high density because there are a lot of particles in a certain area.
Liquids. The particles in liquids such as water are not as closely packed as solids. They move and vibrate around each other in no particular arrangement. Liquids have a lesser density than solids because they have lesser particles in a certain area. The bonds in a liquid keep the particles together, but they are too weak to keep them from moving around. Liquids take the shape of their container. They cannot be compressed because there's not enough space between the particles.
Gases. The particles in a gas vibrate in no fixed position and move around everywhere within an area. They move in all directions and are constantly vibrating with a fast speed. They have no fixed shape or volume. Gases have a very low density because there are lesser particles in a given area. They can be compressed because there are large spaces between particles. They have no bonds. This is why they move around freely in no fixed position. Different gases have different density.
Moving on to changes of states. The process of solid to liquid is called melting. Liquid to gas is called evaporation. For example, ice to water and water to steam. Gases to liquids is called condensation. For example, water vapor to water. Liquid to solid is called freezing, like water to ice. This is an uncommon process, but solid to gas or gas to liquid is called sublimation. The molecules during their changed states stay the same because these are physical changes. The chemical compound of any liquid, for instance water, will stay H2O in all forms: ice, water, and steam.
Thank you for watching.